Hi guys, Coach Green Gene, 3H Pre-Apprenticeship here with my co-trainers Andrew and Omari. Guys, people have been asking us, how do we get involved with 3H Pre-Apprenticeship? Well, we're here to let you know how to get connected with us, but first, we wanted to share with you what 3H Pre-Apprenticeship offers. First, 3H Pre-Apprenticeship offers online training. Second, it offers hands-on training.
If you want to get involved with training, go to YouTube and subscribe to Coach Green Gene and hit the notification button to get notified whenever we have a workshop.
So in this training course, we have 3 different types of workshops. The hands-on workshops, the field workshops, and the Coach Green Gene timeout workshop.
This is how you stay connected to 3H Pre-Apprenticeship. Our desire is to assist you on your pathway back to restoring the dignity of labor. Take care, and we'll see you guys real soon.